Scale a cube and go into edit mode. Then select vertices and start modeling. Subdivide the 4 vertices and select the middle one, then raise it along Z-axis, then again select top vertices and move it along X-axis. Now select all corner vertices and subdivide it. In middle, vertices should appear on both sides. Select face and press I to inset face, then press E to extrude. By insetting and extruding along axis, we get a great result. Now, it almost giving the result as we want. Press Alt-R to add edges or scroll to add more edges. Keep in mind mouse cursor should be on face edge on which we want to add more edges. Now select each edge as shown, then press Ctrl-B to bevel, set values to get great result. Select knife tool and start marking point which we want to cut. When done, press Enter to unselect knife tool. Here we have done our modeling. Now it's time for shading. Now select Shading tab. Select Model and go into Edit mode. Add a shader from Shader tab given on right panel, then select the middle face and New Shader again by pressing plus sign, then click New. Then click Assign. First convert your video into image sequence. Select all and put into Shaden tab, then follow the video to get moving screen. Press U and click Smart UV Project. On bottom left, select the UV panel. Put the same images into it again. By rotating and scaling it will adjust as you want. Download gaming PG from internet and put into Blender. Perform the same procedure with every face that you want to add gaming pictures. Select some faces and turn on emission. Emission property is on the principal BSDF. Simply change color and strength. Here you have completed your tutorial. Give any color to main body or still wanted a good result, watch the video till end. Here I again select some faces in edit mode and give it some color. Also added wall and roof. From Blender Market I put some texture from it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.